Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Thank you for all the subscribers, all the viewers who are watching right now. I have something special, surprise, special gift which I can give it to you, everyone. November 2022, people have seen the market got disrupted because of Chat GPT, and the whole world changed. It was upside down. There were many things which were coming in the market, but this was something, the biggest thing or the change in the century we have seen till date. So it's not only the data analysts, it's all the departments, all the domains, all the people affected because of this. Now, I wanted to bring a change in the world, but now I thought first I should change myself. I should upgrade on the AI. I should upskill on that particular technology, and then only I can change the world. So, everyone, this is a special something which I'm giving back to all the subscribers and viewers. Thank you for supporting at every point of time. Now, this particular thing which I'm launching right now is the Chat GPT for Data Analyst. Now, to become a data analyst, there are some specific skills which are required. It is the Power BI, it is the SQL, it's Excel. It is not going to change. Neither ChatGPT, neither any AI tool is going to change. There are a lot of demand in the market right now for all the data analysts. If you want to understand, not only from my end, I will show you some news articles and people who have quoted, famous people have quoted about what is the trend going on for the data analyst right now. Let's see this particular thing right now on the screen. Many people are confused about what has to be chosen between AI and BI. Now let's try to understand what people across the world are trying to say about the BI domain. The first one, it says the Hans India. Hans India says the top 10 jobs to be in demand in 2023. And there are many jobs which are in demand. The most important, it says about the data scientist. So data scientists have been in high demand even in 2022 as predictive modeling gains popularity along with AI solutions. The demand for data scientists has grown 18% over the year and it is expected to grow fivefold by 2025. It's a big news. By the 2025, the job demand will be fivefold. The next one talks about the Benzinga. It says the global data visualization market size reached to US 3.6 billion US dollar in 2022. Looking forward, IMARCR Group expects the market to reach to US 5.9 billion US dollar by 2028, exhibiting a growth rate of CAGR which is of 9% during year of 2023 to 2028. Now, what is CAGR? It's the compound annual growth rate which is there. So we have a great scope for all the data visualization people across the world. Now, this is about the growth, but which company, which sector you can fit as a data analyst? So this is for something given by the Economic Times for people who are pursuing a data analyst career in India and abroad, where they can focus, which department and area they can focus. It says in one of the article, and I quote it as it is, there is no one sector or business in which a data analyst is not required. It says that every organization that relies on data to make crucial business choices about developing new products, entering new markets, pursuing opportunities, and luring into new or existing customers will need to hire data analysts. It also stresses that any person who works into the organization which mostly focus on the data, where the data is present either into different formats like Excel, SQL, and any other formats, there is a requirement, there is a need for a data analyst. So no department, no sector is left where a data analyst is not required. Great, everyone. So all the jobs for the data analysts are safe. They are going to get into in demand right now. So 90% of the world's data was generated in the last 2 years. People who know about it. So 90% of the world data is generated in last 2 years. That means there is a requirement for a data analyst for sure. Which department? All the department. You have seen the news article as well. So all the department require a data analyst. But now the problem here is you cannot go by the traditional or the conventional method. You need some tool, some artificial intelligence tool, which is going to support a data analyst to become smarter. So jobs of those people will go who are doing a repetitive work, who are not doing a smarter work. So smarter people will stay in the market. People who do basic repetitive work, boring work, now it has to be automated. So this is a cherry on top of this place right now. So this course is the Chat GPT for all the data analysts. People who know the Excel, SQL, Power BI, and Google Sheets. Now for them, this is a supporting course which is coming on YouTube and on the platform, which is pavanlalbani.com. So here I've brought the course, which is divided into multiple sections. So in this particular course, what are the things you'll be learning? Agenda of this particular course, which has been launched over here. In this particular course, what are the things you'll be learning? You'll be learning how ChatGPT will be helping all the Excel users. ChatGPT will be helping for all the Power BI users. Now, for users, when I say, they are the people who have mastered, they are the people who have learned this Excel and Power BI. Third, we'll see how ChatGPT will be helpful for all the SQL users, SQL developers. Later on, we'll see how ChatGPT is going to help for all the Google Sheet users. Google Sheet is the most common tool used by the organizations, where they mostly used by the entrepreneurs. So this will be helpful for all the Google Sheet users. So as a data analyst, you are using different softwares and you need support into different places as well. So GPT is going to help you by creating this. Now, people might think, what is there to learn in ChatGPT? There is a lot of things, and I can guarantee on a paper that you'll be uncovering those topics in this particular course which you never have imagined about. Okay, so because I've done a lot of research, my team has done a research, and we came up with this comprehensive course as an add-on for all the data analyst users. Okay, now what to expect from this particular course in the ChatGPT for data analyst? You can expect that you'll be learning about different ChatGPT uses, how you can ask the questions to ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be used for the particular tool in different sectors. For example, if you're a Power BI user, just an example, you can use ChatGPT into Power Query. You can use ChatGPT to create scripts for DAX functions. You can use ChatGPT to create themes into Power BI. Okay, multiple areas you can use. If you're an Excel users, you learn how to use ChatGPT for Power Query, for Power Pivot, for the VBA macro, for conditional formatting in Excel, for data validation. You will understand how to get the basic concepts clear. So it is immaterial of any software. You learn how to use or decode. There are many prompts which you may never imagine about. Okay, so we as a team have sat over the place. We kept on bombarding many case studies, many scenarios, and we tried to brought this particular course which will cover all the topics in this ChatGPT for a data analyst. So what is the purpose of this course, which is ChatGPT for all the data analysts? Why we have brought this course for you? The purpose of this course is to stay updated with the market. Don't get replaced with new people who know ChatGPT. So the purpose of this course is to empower you as a data analyst with the add-on. Okay, how you can optimize your work, how you can improve your speed, how you can make maximum benefit out of this particular course. So what is the purpose of this course again? In this case, you'll be learning about 360-degree, about how to use ChatGPT into different dimensions, how you can make your work much efficient, much better. You can think about different possibilities as a data analyst which can be brought. You may be an expert, but trust me, ChatGPT is going to make you much smarter than what you're right now. Now, this is the purpose, and you can take the maximum benefit out of this course. How are you going to implement this learnings? Now, you are an expert into a data analyst, you know this particular tools. How are you going to implement? Start with what you're actually doing right now. Write down on a paper that to do this activity, I take 1 hour per day. Okay, write down that activity. Ask that chat GPT, can you give me some method where I can bring down from 60 minutes to 30 minutes? I'm pretty sure chat GPT will give you 30 options, 20 options. You can do by this method, and other methods as well. So to optimize this work, first you have to start with your what you're actually doing it. Don't pick up the dummy data. So suppose you're writing an email to your boss. Every day you spend 20 minutes to think about what is the language, spelling mistake, what should be the context. Imagine. So you can ask ChatGPT that I want to write an email for this particular boss about this thing. So ChatGPT will bring the output in just 2 minutes, not more than that. So as a data analyst, if you're writing SQL queries, you need to be an expert into that. You have to go through the course, learn about this, try and do the errors. Use ChatGPT to generate the SQL queries for you, and you can just copy paste and use it. No, it's not the skipping the work. It is helping you as a data analyst to optimize your performance. If you're a person working on a VBA macro, okay, if you're an MIS specialist, you spend a lot of time to write 100 lines of code in VBA macro. Trust me, ChatGPT will help you write that 100 lines of code in less than 2 minutes. You can copy paste and start working on it. Now, along with copy paste, do not forget that you need to understand also what the code has been told. Do not just blindly copy paste. ChatGPT fools you. ChatGPT lies. It झूठ बोलता है, काफी सारे झूठ बोलता है, and you should be an expert person to catch the problems and mistakes from ChatGPT. In this course, I'll be showing you how you can pick up that mistakes, how you can be careful about not just copy pasting blindly as well. So remember, ChatGPT is just a support for you, as an assistant for you. It's an artificial intelligence, but consider as an assistant for you. Once you start learning, once you master that particular chat GPT, you'll not be scared about it. You'll not be scared about anything which is trending in the market right now. Will I get a job? Will I lose the job? That questions from your mind will go away. 95% people in the world are confused between, should I choose between AI, should I choose between BI? For you, if you're a fresher, you have to do both. If you're an experienced person, start with BI first, start with data analyst courses first, and then jump for ChatGPT. Now you have to learn both at any cost. Okay, so it's not a choice between AI and BI. AI is just going to replace few parts of this BI. Okay, not entirely, because still it is not up to the mark. We have seen the trend about what is going in the BI right now for next few years. So your job is secured. But if you're a smarter person, you'll master whatever is coming in the way. Today is AI. After some days, it might be MI or something. You should be prepared about learning this course. So everyone, with this, I wish you all the best. Every week, you'll be getting 2 to 3 videos on YouTube channel. You can see those videos. You can practice those videos. We are not purposely releasing all videos in one shot. We want you to practice one video for a few days, and then the next video will be released. This series will keep on going to empower you with the new course, which is of the Chat GPT for Data Analyst. And I wish you all the best and success. Do not scared. Start mastering this course and put in your resume. Do not forget to put in your resume that you have learned Chat GPT course. And after this, you'll be also getting some prompts, which you can see in the link as well. You'll be getting some PDF support documents, which you can practice after the learning as well. So I wish you all the best and see you in the course.